In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill numbers in Excel. This is a quick way to create a clean, continuous sequence without typing each value by hand. And it works whether you're filling down a column or across a row. Start by entering your first number in the cell where you want the sequence to begin. Click that cell to select it. Now move your mouse to the small square in the bottom right corner of the selection. This is called the fill handle. When your cursor changes to a thin black cross, click and hold, then drag in the direction you want the numbers to go. As you drag, you'll see a live preview showing what will be filled. Drag until you reach the last cell you want included, and then release the mouse. At this point, Excel may simply copy the same number into all the cells you dragged over. That's normal when starting from a single value. To turn those repeated values into an actual sequence, look for the small Autofill Options button that appears just below or beside your selection immediately after you release the mouse. Click that button, and from the list of choices, select Fill Series. Excel will instantly convert the filled cells into a proper number series, increasing by 1 for each cell. This works the same way whether you filled vertically or horizontally. A couple of helpful notes to make this smoother. If you don't immediately spot the Autofill Options button, it might be slightly offset from your selection. Scroll just a bit or click once on the filled range to make it visible again. Also, if you dragged farther than intended, you can shorten the selection by dragging the fill handle back. And the Fill Series option will still apply to whatever range is selected. If you change your mind, a quick undo will take you right back. When you use Fill Series after dragging from a single starting value, Excel applies a simple step of 1 by default. If your starting cell already had a format, like currency or percentage, that formatting is preserved across the filled range. And if your first entry looked like a date, Excel will follow that pattern as a date series as well. That's all there is to it. Drag with the fill handle to extend your selection, then choose Fill Series from the Autofill options to convert copies into a clean, consecutive list of numbers. It's fast, consistent, and a great way to prepare your sheets for sorting, calculations, and summaries.